I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Voxlblade on mobile. Voxlblade is an exciting role-playing game that's part of the vast Roblox universe. The good news is, playing it on your phone or tablet is quite simple. You'll need the Roblox application, which is free to download for both Android and Apple devices. For the best experience, make sure you have a strong internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, to keep your adventures smooth and uninterrupted. To begin your Voxlblade journey, first head to your mobile device's App Store. If you're on an Android phone, that's the Google Play Store. For an Apple device, it's the App Store. Simply search for Roblox and tap the Install button. The app is relatively small, requiring about 100 megabytes of storage. Once it's finished downloading and installing, you can open it up and get ready for the next step. Once you have the Roblox app open, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have one, it's quick and easy to create a new one right there in the app. After logging in, use the search bar, usually located at the top, to type in Voxlblade. Select the correct game from the results, then simply tap the prominent green play button. The game will then load, and you'll be ready to dive into the world of Voxlblade. Playing Voxlblade on mobile offers a great experience, but a few tips can make it even better. Take some time to get comfortable with the touch controls for moving your character and performing actions. You might also want to tweak the camera sensitivity in the game settings to find what feels right for you. For serious players, a mobile game controller can offer much greater precision. Remember to close other apps to free up resources, and keep an eye on your battery, as gaming can drain it quite fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.